Property worth millions of shillings was destroyed this morning when a fire broke out at the King Kitchen warehouse. That's an industrial area. Now, the fire is said to have started at around 3:30 this morning. KK Security and Nairobi City Council firefighters were at the scene by about 4 a.m. and they did manage to control the fire and prevent it from spreading to nearby warehouses. It is not clear what started the fire, although no casualties were reported. King's Kitchen is located along Industrial Areas Road C and supplies kitchen fixtures and furniture.